Good morning, students. So today we are having Maths 1 lecture and we have started financial planning. So last time I have discussed you some points about GST and some code words were there. CGST, SGST, acronyms were there. So HSN, SSC, this we have discussed last time. Today we are going to start practice set 4.1. Today we are going to start practice set 4.1. So now just a minute. Okay, now see, expected set 4.1, financial planning. So now question is Pawan Medical supplies medicines on same medicines, the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Here the question is given that Pawan Medical supplies medicines and on the same medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? As we have discussed last time that GST, rate of GST is given here. So first write down rate of GST which is equal to 12%. This is equal to 12%. We know that GST is equal to CGST plus SGST. So we can say that GST is twice CGST and 12 upon 2 is equal to CGST. Here we have to find first CGST as GST is given 12%. So it is CGST is half of GST, that is 12 upon 2 CGST. So we can say that CGST is equal to 6%. In the same way, if CGST is given 6%, we have find out CGST as 6%, we can say that SGST is equal to CGST. We know that last time we have seen that SGST is equal to CGST. We have seen this SGST is equal to CGST. So we can say that SGST is also equal to 6%. So what is asked in the question? CGST and SGST. So we have already find out CGST and we have already find out SGST here. So have you understood first question, students? Pawan Medical supplies medicine. On the same medicines, the rate of GST is how much? 12%. Then what is asked? What is the rate of CGST and SGST? So rate of GST is given 12% and we already know that GST is equal to what? CGST plus SGST. But GST is, we can say that GST is twice CGST. Therefore 12 upon 2 is equal to CGST. So CGST is equal to 6% and as we know that SGST is equal to CGST. So SGST's value will also be 6%. This is the answer for first question. Now we will see second question. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%. See, CGST is given here. On yes, Nishi, what is the problem? Can you tell me what is the question? Nishi, yes, you are
Nishi,
raising your hand. What? Yes, Nishi, ask your
no,
question.
some students by mistake they raise their hand. It's okay, ma'am. You can continue.
Okay. So on certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what will be the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? Here, CGST is given 9% and what we have to find is SGST and GST. So now, first we will see that SGST. We already know that CGST and SGST are equal. So if CGST is equal to 9%, then SGST will also be 9% as CGST is equal to SGST, as CGST is equal to SGST. So as it is 9% now, we know that GST is equal to CGST plus SGST. As we know that GST is equal to CGST plus SGST, so now GST is equal to 9% plus 9%. Therefore, GST is equal to 18%. So, we are asked CGST here, that is 9%, and GST, that is 18%. So, we have find out this too. Now, see again, I am repeating the second question. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what will be the rate of SGST, and what is the rate of GST? So, as CGST is given 9%, in the same way we can say that SGST is equal to 9%, that is CGST is equal to SGST, and we know that GST is equal to CGST plus SGST. Therefore, GST is equal to 9% plus 9%, that is GST is equal to 18%. So have you understood second question? Shall I go to the next question? Any doubt, students? पूरा बोर्ड दिखना चाहिए. Now, third question we will see. I will not write down the question, students, here. I will already just read the question for you. MS Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster point at taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST. So here, taxable value of tins. Taxable value of tins is equal to rupees 2,800. Then rate of GST is given 28%. Rate of GST is equal to 28%. Then CGST, we already know that CGST plus SGST is GST, that is twice SGST is equal to 28%. If we find SGST, then we will also get CGST here. You can find anything first. You can find CGST first or SGST first. So here CGST plus SGST is equal to GST. Now twice SGST, we can say that twice SGST is equal to GST, that is SGST is equal to how much percent GST is given? 28. So 28 upon 2, this 2 will come down. So SGST is equal to 14%. SGST will be 14%. And as we have got SGST 14%, similarly we will get CGST, that is 14%. As we know that SGST is equal to CGST. So we have done two things here. Now what we have to find is we have to find the values. So first, taxable value of 2 tins is given. Taxable values of only 1 tin is given there. We have to find value of 2 tins. So taxable value of 2 tins you have to find is equal to 2 into 2,800. Value of 1 tin was rupees 2,800. So we can say that 2 into 2,800 is equal to rupees 5,600. This is the value, taxable value for 2 tins, that is 5,600. Now amount of CGST is how much? 14%. We have got amount of CGST is equal to 14% we have got. So GST, now value of, we will find the GST amount. GST is equal to how much? 5,600. Here 5,600 upon 5,600 into 28 upon 100, that is 28% we have to find of it, no? So 20 here cancel, 20 here will cancel, and the answer is rupees 1,568. 1,568. So now amount of CGST we will see. Amount of CGST. Amount of CGST is equal to 1568 divided by 2, because it is half of GST. So 1568 divided by 2. 2 ones are here, 784 is equal to rupees 784. And as it is 784 CGST, so CGST is equal to SGST. Therefore SGST is also equal to rupees 784. So we have find here the values of CGST also and SGST also, and GST also. Here GST is 1568. Then taxable value also we have find 5,600. Now see you students, again once again I am repeating it. Pura dikhna chahiye. Taxable value of tins, each tin is given here. Each tin, that is rupees 2,800. That means 1 tin. Value of 1 tin is 2,800. So rate of GST is 28%. CGST plus SGST, we know that it is GST. Then twice SGST is equal to GST. Therefore we can say that SGST is equal to 28 upon 2, as it is given 28%. So we have to half it, that is 28 upon 2. So SGST will be 14%. And the same way we know that SGST is equal to CGST. Therefore CGST will also be 14%. Now we have to find taxable value. Here value of 1 tin is given. So now we have to find the value of 2 tins, that is taxable value of 2 tins is equal to 2 into 2,800. So the value will be rupees 5,600. So now amount of CGST is 14%, as we know. Then GST we have find out 5,600 into 28 upon 100. So as it is 28%, so we are taking 28 upon 100, and now 0 is cancelled. So 56 into 28 is rupees 1568. 1,568. This is the taxable value of tin. So amount of CGST here is equal to 1568 upon 2. That is because CGST is half of GST. So 1568 will be divided by 2. So the answer is rupees 784. As we know that CGST is equal to SGST, so SGST is equal to rupees 784. In this way we have find the values of the question. Have you understood, students? Any doubt in question number 3? Any doubt in question number 3? Yes. Rupesh Singh, you have raised your hand. So what is the doubt? Rupesh Singh, what is the doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you have finded the rate of GST here.
Yeah.
We directly also find the rate of CGST and SGST also, na?
Yeah, we can directly find.
So we have no need
But
to find
if you
GST.
go by the method, no, you will get the marks, because each and every steps in algebra and geometry are having the marks, half of marks for each step. If you see the question is for 2 marks, then no need of solving it, no need of showing that. But if you see that the question is of 3 to 4 marks, then you have to show all the steps for that.
Okay, and thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Anyone else? Anyone else want to ask the question for this? No? Shall I go to the next question then? Gayatri Sharma, can you ask the question? Yes. Gayatri Sharma, what is your doubt, beta? Yes, Gayatri.
Ma'am,
Yes.
hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Gayatri.
Ma'am, what is the mean by taxable value?
Taxable
What
value.
is mean by taxable value?
Yes, taxable value. Last lecture I have explained you that the amount which we have to pay on buying the product is taxable, on which the amount on which the tax is included. Taxable value is the amount on which we have to pay the tax. It is the taxable value. Okay.
Okay.
Gayatri, have you understood what is the taxable value now? Anand. Anand, you are raising your hand. What is the problem? Anand, tell me your doubt, Anand. Yes, Anand. Anand. You're raising your hand. Ask your question. Yes, Anand.
Anand, you want to ask any question? You're raising your hand, or by mistake it is going. Ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, now I'm starting the fourth question. So now question number 4. So now the taxable value of a wristwatch belt is rupees 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of belt for the customer? So now in this taxable value of wristwatch belt is given. Taxable value of wristwatch belt is equal to rupees 586. 586. Now rate of GST is also given, that is 18%. Rate of GST is equal to 18%, and price of watch of the customer we have to find out, and taxable value, that is total amount with GST we have to find out. Okay. So now first we will find out price of watch for the customer. What will be the price of watch for the customer, that we will see. That is rupees 586 and 18% of GST. So 18 upon 100 is equal to what? You will have to find the answer for this. That is equal to rupees 105.48. Then you will find taxable value of GST. Taxable value of GST, that is rupees 586 586 plus 105.48 is equal to rupees 691.48. So this is the answer, taxable value. First we have find price of watch for the customer, watch belt for the customer, that is 18% GST is included there, so rupees 105.48, and taxable value, this will be the GST rate that will be included in the taxable amount. Now see here students, that taxable value of wristwatch belt is given 586, rate of GST is given 18%, price of watch belt for the customer, if GST with GST, without GST is 586 into 18 upon 100, that is rupees 105.48. This is the rate of GST. So taxable value of GST will be rupees 586 plus 105.48, that is rupees 691.48. Khushi Maurya, yes. Khushi, you are raising the hands. Ask the question. Khushi Maurya, ask the question.
मिस आपकी स्क्रीन बहुत ज्यादा हिल रही है इसलिए कुछ प्रॉपर एकदम क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है.
एक मिनट बेटा, अब नहीं होगा वैसा. अभी
यस
अब
मिस
दिख रहा है अच्छे से?
हाँ
ठीक है. नाउ सी हियर, taxable value of wristwatch belt is rupees 586, rate of GST is 18%, so we have find the amount with of GST, that is 105.48, then taxable value of GST, that is 586 plus 105.48, so total amount what the customer has to pay will be 691.48. So in this way we have solved question number 4. Now I am going to question number 5. Sana Parveen. Yes, Sana, ask your question. Sana Parveen, yes.
Last 5 minutes or 10 minutes we give for clearing doubts. Now you continue, because some students by mistake they raise their hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
So at last I will give them to ask the question, no?
5 or 10 minutes we'll give them.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. हिलाना नहीं बेटा. Now we will start question number 5. So question number 5 now. Question is, the total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value, that is taxable value, CGST and SGST for this toy car. So now we have to find taxable value also, CGST also, and SGST for the toy car. So now, as we don't know the taxable value, we will suppose it as X. So now let the taxable value of remote control car is equal to X. Let the taxable value of remote controlled car is equal to X. We are taking it as X. Then rate of GST is given 18%. Rate of GST is equal to how much? 18%. Then we have to find this, that is therefore GST is equal to X into 18%, as we don't know the value of taxable amount. So 18 upon X into 18 upon 100 is equal to 18X upon 100, 18x upon 100. Therefore, we can say that x plus 18x upon 100 is equal to 1770. 1770, as it is given that the value of पकड़ पूरा ऐसे स्ट्रेट पूरा बोर्ड दिखना चाहिए, हिला मत. हाँ, तो it is given that the value of with GST of remote control car is rupees 1770. It is already given rupees 1770. So that is x plus 18x upon 100 is equal to 1770. So now we have to remove this 100. So for this we have to multiply both the sides by 100. Multiplying both the sides by 100. Both the sides by 100. What we will get? 100x plus 18x. 100 will be cancelled. So 100x plus 18x is equal to 1770, and again 20 we will add here as we are multiplying it by 100. So now this will be 118x, 118x is equal to 177,000. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to 177,000 upon 118. So we will get value of x is equal to rupees 1,500. This will be the value of x. Now we have to find the taxable value of a car. That is x we have find, that is rupees 500. Therefore, the taxable value of car is rupees 1500. Now on this 1500 we have to find GST. That is GST we have to find. As we have written first, GST is equal to 18x upon 100. As we have written, GST is equal to 18x upon 100. So instead of x, we will put the value of x there. That is 18 into 1500 upon 100. So in this way, 0 will be cancelled. So remaining is 18 into 15, and the answer will be rupees 270. Rupees 270. So we have find here the value of GST, that is rupees 270. First we have find taxable value, x is equal to 1500, and then we have find GST. Now what we are going to find is SGST and CGST. So if we find one value also it will do, that is if we do value of CGST, then also it will do, and you will get the value of SGST from that. So as we know that SGST is equal to CGST. SGST is equal to CGST, that is equal to 1/2 into GST. It is the half of GST, and we have already got the value of GST, that is 270. So we can divide here by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, that is equal to rupees 135. So this is the value of GST, and as we know that CGST is equal to SGST or SGST is equal to CGST, so we have find out the value of SGST, and now CGST is also equal to rupees 135. So this is the answer. Now any doubt, student? First what we have done, that we have found the taxable value, that is we have got is x is equal to 1500. Then we have find the value of GST, that is as it is 18%, that is 18x upon 100, that is equal to 18 into 1500 upon 100. So value of GST will be rupees 270, and as we know that CGST and SGST and CGST are equal, and they are half of GST. So we can say that half into 270 is equal to 135. So if we are getting the value of SGST rupees 135, it will then CGST will also be 135. In this way, we have solved question number 5 also. So any doubt, students, for this question? Any doubt for this question, students? Now I am going to the next question. We will solve all our doubts in the remaining 10 minutes of the lecture. So now I am going to the next question, that is question number 6. ठीक से पकड़ो. Okay, now we will see question number 6. हाँ? बाद में. Okay, now. Question number 6 we will do. So, Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amount as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. In this, we have to find rate of SGST, rate of GST on AC, taxable value of AC, total amount of GST, amount of CGST, amount of SGST. So these many things we have to find here. So now see that we don't know the taxable value. So let the taxable value of AC is equal to X. Let the taxable value of AC is equal to X. We are supposing as X. Therefore, now rate of CGST is given, that is 14%. Rate of CGST is equal to 14%. Then rate of CGST, if rate of CGST is 14%, we can say that rate of SGST will also be 14%. Rate of SGST will also be 14%. So here we have done rate of SGST, that is 14%. This is the first thing that we have to find. Then next is rate of GST, that is rate of GST. Rate of GST is equal to what? SGST plus CGST, that is 14% plus 14% is equal to 28%. Therefore, rate of GST is equal to 28%. This is the second thing what we have to find. Rate of GST is equal to 28%. So this is the second thing that we have to find. Now GST is, we don't know what is the value. So now GST is equal to X into 28 upon 100. X into 28 upon 100 is equal to 28x upon 100. Therefore, x plus 28x upon 100 is equal to 51,200. 51,200. As we know that cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200, that is with GST. So now x plus 28x upon 100 is equal to 51,200, and as we want to remove this 100 from the denominator, what we will do, we will multiply both the side by 100. So now multiplying both the sides by 100, multiplying both the sides by 100, what we will get? 100x is equal to 28x, sorry 100x plus 28x is equal to 51,200, कुछ आगे 2 0 लगा देंगे यहाँ पर हम लोग. Okay, so now 128, adding this to 128x is equal to 5120,000. Therefore, x is equal to 5120,000 divided by 128. Now, the value of x is equal to rupees 40,000. 40,000. So, this is the third part what we wanted to get, that is taxable value, that is rupees 40,000. So, now next is GST, total amount of GST. So, next part is GST is equal to what? 28x upon 100, we have seen it. So, now put the value of x, that is 28 into 40,000 upon 100, 0 will be cancelled. So, 28 multiplied by 400, 28 multiplied by 400, so GST will be 11,200. Value of GST you will get is rupees 11,200. Now, as we have find, this is the fourth one what we have to find. Then fifth is what? Amount of CGST. If we get the amount of CGST, we will also get the amount of SGST. So now, amount of CGST. Amount of CGST. We have seen that amount of CGST is how much? Half of GST. Half into GST. As we have got the amount of GST 11,200, so we will directly do the half of 11,200, that is rupees 5,600. Rupees 5,600. So answer we are getting of CGST, that is number 5. CGST is equal to 5,600. In the same way, similarly, SGST is equal to CGST. Therefore, it will also be rupees 5,600. Now, SGST is equal to rupees 5,600. So, in this way, we have find all the things whatever were required in the question. So, now see your student. We have done the question number 6 also. Now, if you have any doubts, please ask. Question number 7 is your homework. Question number 7 is your homework. It is easy and you have to do the homework for that. So now you can ask me any questions, any doubt which you are having. Khushi Maurya, yes. Khushi Maurya. Any doubt?
मिस जो हम लोग ने वो टैक्सेबल अमाउंट फाइंड करने के लिए 18x x प्लस 18x लगाए, तो वो x हम लोग ने कहाँ से लिए, क्यों लिए?
x बेटा हम लोगों को टैक्सेबल वैल्यू पता नहीं है, मैंने पहले ही बोला. As we don't know the taxable value, we have to take x. वहाँ पर x लेना है.
आपने एक स्टेप बाद में x प्लस 18x लिया ना, तो 18x को नहीं बोल रही है कि वो x आपने टैक्सेबल अमाउंट पता नहीं उसलिए लिया, लेकिन जो x प्लस लिया था वो x किस लिए लिए थे आपने?
x प्लस.
यस मिस.
अच्छा ये वाला बोल रहे हो क्या तुम?
नहीं मिस, एकदम स्टार्टिंग वाला जो स्टेप था ना टैक्सेबल अमाउंट फाइंड करने के लिए.
यस यस.
तो वो स्टेप में
x plus 18x upon 100 is equal to 1770 वाला.
यस मिस.
हाँ तो वहाँ पे बेटा हम लोगों ने टैक्सेबल वैल्यू जो है तो उसमें ये जीएसटी का लिया है ना, परसेंटेज ऐड किया. जीएसटी का जो है वो हम लोगों ने लिया वहाँ पर. टैक्सेबल अमाउंट प्लस जीएसटी इज इक्वल टू द अमाउंट, दैट इज टोटल वैल्यू, दैट इज प्लस टोटल वैल्यू. देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, x plus 18x upon 100, that is that x is what, taxable value. 18x upon 100 क्या लिया है मैंने, GST. तो वो GST वहां पर taxable value जो है उसमें GST ऐड किया, that will be equal to how much, it will be total amount. So that is 1770 जो हमको ऑलरेडी दिया है टोटल वैल्यू. Therefore we have taken x plus 18x upon 100, that is taxable value plus GST. Okay,
Yes, miss.
taxable value plus
Thank you,
GST. Okay, okay. Any doubt, students? Yes? Anyone who is raising the hand? Yes? Anyone want to ask the question?
Anyone is having doubt, you can raise your hand.
Or shall I suppose that you have understood everything? Yes, Abu Saad. Abu Saad. Yes.
Abusad. Yes, beta.
Abu Saad, what? Ask your question, beta.
टीचर
Yes,
आपने इससे
अबू
पहले जो
साहब।
क्वेश्चन कराया, ये जो
बोलो।
सम के पहले आपने और एक सम कराया ना, वो सम का क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या था?
ये सम जो है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 किया मैंने, उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 था.
इसके पहले वाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 था ना?
हाँ हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 था.
यस, ओके टीचर, थैंक यू.
ओके ओके.
Still any more
Lakshmi?
students? Lakshmi?
मिस आपने 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय लिखा था ना, वो आपने 1/2 किधर से लाया?
Half, it is half of GST. That's why 1/2 means half.
ओके मिस.
CGST जो है वो हाफ है GST का, इसके लिए 1/2 into GST, that is half of GST. Okay.
और मल्टीप्लाई बाय बोथ साइड आगे मिस आपने क्या लिखा है?
ये हाफ इंटू GST है बेटा. GST का हाफ होता है वो CGST जो है वो.
यस मिस, आगे आपने मल्टीप्लाई बाय बोथ साइड लिखा है ना?
ये GST है, GST. GST है वो. Multiply by
Okay,
GST.
miss.
Half
Thanks.
into GST. Okay. Any other doubt?
थैंक यू मिस.
Nazreen?
Okay, beta. Welcome.
Nazreen? Nazreen?
Yes,
Unmute
Nazreen.
yourself
Yes.
and ask your doubt.
Yes, Nazreen.
Maybe by mistake she
Nazreen,
must have
yes.
raised her hand. By mistake she must have raised her hand.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we'll wind up our lecture over here. Thank you, Almara ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Shall
Thank
I
you very
start that
much.
video?
Yeah. Students, stay tuned, stay continued. 10 minutes you have. Refresh yourself, drink water, go to washroom, refresh yourself. And next lecture we have history lecture by Pradnya ma'am. Okay? So stay continued over here with me. Who is Al Shifa? Who is Al Shifa? Al Shifa, unmute yourself, tell me your school name. Aliza Khan. Aliza Khan, unmute yourself and tell me your school name. I'm going to remove you children every time I have to tell you that.
Okay, thanks, madam.
Kausu More. Kajal Gupta. Kajal Gupta. Kausu More, Khushbu. These children, they are not naming themselves properly. Redmi 7A, I'm going to remove these children. Students, do you know that we need your school name along with your name? Your attendance is being counted. Sheikh Ayan. Mahesh Nandi, why you're raising your hand? What for you're raising your hand? Rehmat, Rehmat, what is your school name? Rehmat, what is your school name? I've removed those children. Those who are not with the school name, the name is not being displayed. Farheen Qureshi,